We love sneakers with fur, right? Well, sometimes. SB of the year? Maybe sneaker of the year.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're going to review in 4K the Nike SB Verdy Visty or Vista. However you want to pronounce it, man. If y'all don't know who Verdy is a dope artist from Japan, I believe. And he hasn't missed a lot, man. He gave us the Wasted Youth situation. Maybe he missed there. That dunk I really wasn't feeling. But besides that, the Girl Don't Cry, Human Made collab. He even did Kenzo things, Kenzo Paris. But the best thing I think he created was that plush, man. If you look at prices for that plush, ridiculous. And he turned it into a whole sneaker. Just look at this huge hang tag. I know a lot of people gonna put these on their keys by now. It's so big, you would think it's like a can opener or something. But man, y'all know how I do with SBs. This had to be a part of the collection. Of course, the Grateful Dead ones are like super popular. Even the Papa Bear, they all dope. Yeah, it's a lot of remembrance to this, but it's a lot of differences too. So we gonna get into it. You know we don't do too much long talking. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So it's part of that chrome, silver, white box collection. I would think with a collab so fire that it would be a colorful box or even a special box edition like we got with the Chunky Dunkies. But you get this gray box. I ain't mad at the box. I ain't gonna wear the box. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Blue Gaze Arctic Blue. Even the colorway is like, the color names are crazy. Flip open the lid. You got your SB tissue paper. You also got your SB glow in the dark sticker that we've been getting since like mid last year. I think it started with the Born and Raised. Now let's start with the right foot. Here's a 360 view of the Nike SB Verdy Visty. Ah, man. I know it ain't everybody's taste, but it's mine, man, for sure. I started with the right side because the left side has the huge hang tag. I didn't want the hang tag getting in the way. So y'all seeing all this gorgeousness, man. So let's start with the toe box. Looks like the blue cotton candy you get from the carnival. Straight from the carnival and soft. Now, I've been around Nike for a while, and Nike's came up with a lot of sneakers with this fur. It usually comes with like a little tag or letter telling you about the pony and all that. You know, trying to cover they behind. I haven't got this one in here, but nice blue. Around there, you get your corduroy material. Well, look, but it feels hard. It does not feel like corduroy, guys, but it is that corduroy material. You'll see the rigid lines in there. I was gonna say giving me what's my man name that made the 97s Air Max. I don't know why I'm blanking right now, but that's like the material look I get here. Sean Weatherspoon, the Sean Weatherspoon joints. Look at those 97s and you'll get that same remembrance there. Let's get all the way up into the sneaker. That fur creeps right back in, the same color as the toe box, almost covering the nice pink swoosh there. That's a nubuck suede, guys. Great material. I love that pink swoosh there. And I love that they kept the fur going. Like they didn't just stop at the toe box. Would have looked a little weird. That corduroy creeps back in. And then the pink swoosh connects with the pink fur. Or the pink cotton candy look in the back. He changed my favorite Nike logo, but I like it. He kind of even made it a little doper. Give it like that bubbly, bubble lines look. Nike's super dope. I like it. That's on the same like corduroy material, just the Nike kind of is a braids. Feel like a basketball, rubber, if you would say. They go to pink, the blue creeps back in. And then this bottom color, it's a little weird to me because it's not an off-white or sail white. It's more of like a pale yellow, guys. And the reason I think they went with the pale yellow there, because of the shoelaces. The shoelaces is in that pale yellow colorway on top of a very big SB-like tongue, but furs all on it. It reads Nike SB Verdy there in the pink. And I don't have no gripe yet, man. Behind the tongue, you got the plush doll there. Very dope. I kind of wish they put it here, being that the sneaker's named after him, but you got it here huge. I know y'all see all of these shoelaces. This reminds me of the Chunky Dunkies so much. When I unboxed my Chunky Dunkies and saw all these shoelaces, I was like, wow. But you got that, I guess that blue, I forgot what they called it on the box. You got that nice like tail green. And then, of course, it comes in the yellow. Getting more into the inside, looks like a strip out of a comic book or like the old bazooka gum when you used to get the little comic. It reads Nike SB there and a whole bunch of other stuff. Let me check it out. Oh, it's the, I don't know if these things are going to be hard to pull out. But it's the mascot again on a skateboard. This is the left side here. The inside is the same. Even the mascot stayed the same. They didn't change it up. Everything is the same from right to left besides this huge hang tag or keychain. This is a keychain. This is silver, nickel-plated hard keychain. So the front has Visty. The back says Nike SB at Verdy. This is a keychain, guys. Do not wear this on your sneaker, man. Y'all carrying around weight for no reason. Sock liner is in that light green, mint green, I would say. I don't like a light sock liner, but I love the color scheme here. And staying mint green is the bottom. Get that winter fresh look. All green, Nike SB logo. My highlight of the sneaker though, man, is this pale yellow. This pale yellow brings everything together. So I would stay with these shoelaces. So which one we rolling with, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Yes, sir. I couldn't really call it hype because Verdy's been like underground. A lot of stuff he do we don't know. The SB kind of came out of nowhere. So I won't say hype was the reason this sneaker was like at 1100, because if you look now, prices is in mid 300s, mid 300s, close to 400. They dropped down a lot. This was a very limited pair, guys. I think 60K. Double check, fact check that. But this was very limited. I can tell you that. It was a very limited pair, man. I don't see this being everyday wears like my Grateful Deads. I probably wore them twice. But if you're a sneakerhead, man, this is a must-have. Like, even if you plan on selling it to get, you know, some GRs or something you want, you gotta at least get this in hand, man. Retail, what, 150? Right now, 400. Sneakers dope, man. I really like it. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. Did you cop? I want more from Verdy. I want Nike and Verdy to go harder. Again, I showed y'all the Wasteful Youth dunks. Maybe because they was all black, but I wasn't feeling those. But he definitely redeemed himself in my eyes with this. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.